Hello students, in this video we are going to see one theorem on closure of a set. Let us write down that theorem. Let Xt be a metric space. Let Xt be a metric space. And A comma B is a subset of X. Then first part is phi closure is equals to phi. Second is X closure is equals to X. Third one is A is a subset of B implies A closure is a subset of B closure. Fourth one is closure of A union B is equals to A closure union B closure. Fifth one is closure of A intersection B is a subset of A closure intersection B closure. And last, fifth is limit points of A is equals to limit points of A closure. Now we will prove this theorem. We know that in metric space Xt, both phi and X are both open and closed space. Open and closed space. Open and closed space. Also we know that A is a subset of X is closed if and only if A is equals to A closure. Here no need both. See here, phi and X are closed space, and we know that if A is closed, then A is equals to A closure. Therefore, obviously, phi closure of phi is equals to phi, and closure of X is equals to X. Hence, part 1 and 2 is proved. Now we will prove part 3. In part 3, we have to prove A closure is a subset of B closure. Let X is belongs to A closure. That implies X is belongs to A union A dash. That implies X belongs to A or X belongs to A dash. That implies X is belongs to B or X is belongs to B dash. Because what we have given, A is a subset of B. Therefore, if X is belongs to A, that obviously implies X is belongs to B. And A is a subset of B implies A dash is a subset of B dash. That's why if X belongs to A dash, that implies X is belongs to B dash. That implies X is belongs to B union B dash. And that implies X is belongs to B closure. Hence, we have A closure is a subset of B closure. Hence, proof of part 3 is complete. Now we will prove part 4. In part 4, we have to prove closure of A union B is equals to A closure union B closure. For that, we have to prove what do we have to prove? Closure of A union B is a subset of A closure union B closure, and A closure union B closure is a subset of closure of A union B. Okay. Now first we prove closure of A union B is a subset of A closure union B closure. Let X belongs to A union B closure. That implies X belongs to A union B union A union B dash. By definition of closure, X belongs to A union B union A dash union B dash. Since A union B dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Okay. That implies X belongs to A union A dash union B union B dash. Okay. That implies X belongs to A closure union B closure. That implies A union B closure is a subset of A closure union B closure. Call this equation number 1. Okay. Now we will prove this part. Okay. For this let, or here we can write that now we have to prove what do we have to prove? A closure union B closure is a subset of A union B closure. For this, let X belongs to A closure union B closure. That implies X belongs to A bar or X belongs to B bar. That implies X belongs to A union A dash or X belongs to B union B dash. Okay. That implies X belongs to A union A dash. This OR is nothing but union. B union B dash. That implies X belongs to A union B union A dash union B. That implies X belongs to A union A union B dash. What is reason? Since A union B dash is nothing but A dash union B dash. Here is union. Okay. That implies X belongs to A union B closure. That implies A closure union B closure is a subset of A union B closure. Call this equation number 2. Therefore, by 1 and 2, we have A closure union B closure is equals to A union B closure. Hence, proof of part 4 is complete. Now, we will prove part 5. In part 5, we have to prove closure of A intersection B is a subset of A closure intersection B closure. Okay. Sorry, here subset. Okay. Let X belongs to A intersection B closure. That implies X belongs to A intersection B union A intersection B dash. Dash means limit point of A intersection B. That implies X belongs to A intersection B or X belongs to A intersection B dash. If X belongs to A intersection B, that implies X belongs to A, which is a subset of A closure. Since why Why A is a subset of A closure? Because A closure is nothing but A union A dash. Then obviously A is a subset of A closure, and here X is belongs to A intersection B. That means X belongs to A and X belongs to B. X belongs to B implies X belongs to B, which is a subset of B closure. Here again reason is B closure is nothing but B union B dash. Okay. Here what we get? See here X is belongs to A closure and X is belongs to B closure, means that implies X is belongs to A closure and X is belongs to B closure. That implies X is belongs to A closure intersection B closure. Hence we get A intersection B closure is a subset of A closure intersection B closure. Hence proof of part 5 is complete. Now we will prove part 6. In part 6 we have to prove what we have to prove. Limit points of A is nothing but is equals to limit points of A closure. That is to prove A dash is a subset of limit point of A closure, and limit point of A closure is a subset of limit points of A. First we prove A dash is a subset of limit points of A closure. Okay. For this, let X is belongs to A dash. That implies, by definition of limit point, SR of X minus singleton X intersection A is not equal to phi for all r greater than 0. That implies SR of X minus singleton A with intersection A closure is not equal to phi for all r greater than 0. Since A is always subset of A closure, that implies X is belongs to limit points of A closure. That implies limit points of A is a subset of limit points of A closure. Call this equation number 1. Now we have to prove limit points of A closure is a subset of limit points of A. Okay. Let X is belongs to limit points of A closure. That implies X is limit point of A closure, which is equal to A union A dash. Okay. That implies X is either limit point of A or of A dash. Okay. Because here A closure is nothing but A union A dash. If X is limit point of A, if X is limit point of A, if X is not limit point of A, then x is limit point of a dash. Therefore, we get x is belongs to a dash. Therefore, here we have taken x is belongs to limit point of a closure and we obtain x is belongs to a dash. Therefore, limit point of a closure is a subset of limit points of a. Call this equation number 2. By 1 and 2 we have limit points of a closure is equals to limit points of a. Hence, proof of part 6 is complete. Let us take one remark. A intersection B closure is never equal to A closure intersection B closure. For example, why this is? We will see one example on this remark. In the usual metric space Ru, consider the set A is equals to open interval 0 1, B is equals to open interval 1 2, then A intersection B is equals to 5. Obviously, these two intervals are open, therefore their intersection must be 5. Note that here I have to note that A closure is equals to, what is A closure? Here A is nothing but open interval 0 1 and we know that what is the definition of A closure? It is nothing but A union A dash. Here A is open interval 0 1 and limit points of open interval is closed interval union closed interval 0. Therefore, union of these two interval is closed interval 0 1. Closed interval 0 1. And what is B closure? Obviously, closed interval 1 2. Okay. Now find A closure intersection B closure. Closed interval 0 1 intersection closed interval 1 2. Obviously, intersection of these two interval is singleton 1. Okay. And here intersection of these two interval, that is A intersection B closure is equals to, A intersection B is equals to 5. Therefore, closure of A intersection B must be 5. Therefore, observe here A closure intersection B closure is 1, singleton 1, and closure of A intersection B is 5. That means A closure intersection B closure is not equal to closure of A intersection B. Okay, we will stop here. In next video, we will see boundary points.